Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can create a YouTube Kid profile. Let's go ahead and simply open the YouTube Kid application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, simply tap on the settings like icon. Right over here, go ahead and type in your password. Once done, you'll then be able to find this kind of interface. Inside here, you'll then be able to find profiles. If you would like to add a new one, simply tap on add new. Then you want to go ahead and type in your Gmail password. Go ahead and type it in. Once you've done that, simply type in your kid's name and then your kid's age. Once done, scroll below. Then you can go ahead and simply select the kid's birth month, which is optional. Once done, tap on OK. Once done, go ahead and simply tap on this little icon. Then you want to go ahead and simply select the age. Tap on select. And just like that, the profile has been created. Now you can go ahead and tap onto it and then tap on done. And that's simply how you can create a YouTube Kid profile. If you would like to add more, you can go ahead and simply follow the same process. And that's it. You have successfully created a YouTube Kids profile. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.